Every motovlog these days looks and feels exactly the same. Everyone just stick their action camera in front of their helmet, and after few seconds of that footage, everything looks boring. But today I'm going to show you how you can spice up your motovlogs by adding your action camera in different places by getting different perspectives. By the way, I'm using the DJI Osmo Nano, my absolute favorite action camera at this moment. So let's get started. You can simply wear your Osmo Nano with the chest mount and you can get shots like this. Sometimes I also attach the Osmo Nano here with the hat clip to get POV shots like this. And now for more creative angles you will need a Magica. And with that I sometimes mount the camera in this angle to get a different perspective. And I mount the vision dock up here with the hat clip to see everything and control the camera. And with that you can get shots like this. Then for some close-up B-rolls you can attach the camera here for more close-up shots like changing the gear. Or you can mount your camera here to show the terrain you are driving in. Well, all roads are off-roads in West Bengal, so you can get shots like this. And now one of my most favorite is to mount the camera on my crash guard to show everything, the place, bike, everything, all in one frame.